Class 10 Mathematics Ratio and Proportion Exercise 2 Chapter 5 मैं प्रसाद सर. Today I will start your second exercise of ratio and proportion. Let us start your first question. In this question, the runs scored by three batsmen A, B, and C in a cricket match are in the ratio A raised to B and the B raised to C. Both are given 1 raised to 2. If the total of their runs is 364, then find the runs scored individually by each batsman. So how can do this question? Let us start. It is given that A raised to B. It is given that how much? It is 1 raised to 2. So you can write A upon B is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, B raised to C, it is also 1 raised to 2. So we can write B upon C equal to 1 upon 2. First of all, we want to do B as an equal. So here is 2 and here is 1. So it is multiplied by 1. So here is multiplied by 2. How can do this? It is multiplied by 2. So B upon C is equal to 2 upon 4. Now B are same. This B is 2 here and this B is also 2. So we are concluded that A raised to B raised to C. It is how much? It is 1 raised to 2 raised to 4. Now let A runs equal to X, B runs equal to 2X and C runs equal to 4X. The total run is equal to X plus 2 plus 2X plus 4X. So it becomes 7 of X. But in the question it is given that 7 of X equal to, that is 364. So here is X is equal to 364 divided by 7. It is 7 1 ja 7 and 7 5 ja 35 and 7 2 ja. So we get X as 52. Now we can consider here A runs and B runs and C runs. So A runs equal to how much? It is 1X, so it is 52 runs. So B runs is equal to 2 into 52, that is, and now the C runs equal to 4 into 52. What will be happen in this case? So now do the 52 to the 104, it is 104, and this one is 4 ja, it is 208, and it is 52. So what about A runs is equal to 52, B runs 104, and C runs is equal to 208. So that is your answer. Now come to the second question. The salaries of three workers A, B, C are in the ratio 2 raised to 3 raised to 5. If their salaries are respectively increasing by 15%, 10%, and 20%, then what will be the ratio of new salaries? So how can solve this? You can see here, check the question and do the question. Yes, the salary ratios between A raised to B raised to C. It is given that 2 raised to 3 raised to 5. So what will be happen in this? So let salary of A is equal to 2x, and after increment it is 2x plus 2x into 15%, so 15 upon 100. It will be 2x plus, it is 0.30x, so total is 2.30 of x. Similarly, salary of B is equal to, that is 3x, and after increment it is 3x plus 3x into 10%, so 10 upon 100, so 0 cancel with 0, we get, it is, ये 0.3x हो जाएगा, so it is 3x plus 0.3 of x, so it becomes 3.3 of x. Now come to the which one? Salary of B, salary of C, that is 5x, and after increment salary is 5x into 5x into, that is 20%. So it becomes 20%, that is the upon 100. So 0 cancel with 0, and 2 5 ja 10, and 5 1 ja 5. So 5x and plus 1x, that is the 6x. So you can write here it is 6x. So we want to find the ratio between A, B and C. What is the ratio between A, B and C? You can see here A, B, C के बीच में जो रेशो है कैसे निकलेगा. You can see here ratio between A raised to B raised to C, that is equal to A is that is the 2.30 of x, B is 3.3x, and last one is 6x. Raised to 6x. Now x will be cancelled out to each other. So we get it is 2.3 raised to 3.3 raised to 6. Multiply by 10. So we get 23 raised to 33 raised to 60. And that is your answer. Question number 3. That is, 3 persons earn profit of 70,000 in a business, which they to divide into the ratio A raised to B, that is 4.4 raised to 2, and B raised to C, that is 10 raised to 5. How much money will each person get? The money received by A would how many times of the money received by C? A और C में कितना रेशो होगा, that is the how much money will receive each person. सबसे पहले each persons का हमें find करना पड़ेगा. So how can find this one? So first of all you can check here. First of all, A raised to B is given as, that is 4 raised to 2, and so we can write here A upon B is equal to 4 upon 2. What about 2? B raised to C, it is given as 10 raised to 5. So what will be happen? We can write here B upon C is equal to 10 upon 5. Now I want to B as equal amount. B is 10 here and here is 2. So we can multiply by 5 denominator, so multiply by 5 in numerator also. So it becomes 20 upon 10. So now the ratio is A raised to B raised to C becomes 20 raised to 10 raised to 5. If you want to divide by 5, so you can divide by 5. 5 4 ja, and here is 5 2 ja, and here is 5 1 ja. So that is the ratio. Let A money is equal to 4x, B is equal to 2x, and C equal to, that is the x only. So total amount कितना हो जाएगा, that is 4x plus 2x plus x. So that is the 7 of x, but it is given that it is 70,000. So we can find the value of x. How can find the value of x? So x equal to 70,000 divided by 7. So it becomes 10,000. Yes. So A money, A is equal to, that is the 4 into X, 4 into 10,000. So it becomes 40,000. So B money, that is 2 into 10,000. So it becomes 20,000. And for C, C is only X, so it gets 10,000. So these are the answers. This one is answers of this question. Now one is more. The ratio, this, the money received by A would be how many times of received by C? So this will be A raised to C. So A is, that is 4x, and B is x. So x cancel. So it is 4 times. So it is your second answer. Question number 4. A bag, rupees 1 and rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins. If the coins are in the ratio of 1 raised to 2 raised to 5 and the total money is given in the bag is, that is 1590 rupees, then find the number of each type of coin. सभी टाइप के coins के numbers को find करना है. So how can find this one? So first of all, the ratio of the coins. The ratio of the coin, ratio of the coins is given as 1 raised to 2 raised to 5. It is 3 types of coin: 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. Okay, so let rupees 1 coin is equal to, that is the x, and rupees 2 coins, that is 2x, and rupees 5 coins, that is the 5x. So according to question, that means x into 1 plus 2x into 2 plus 5x into 5. It is given that 1590. So what will be happen? X plus, that is 4x, plus that is 25 of x equal to 1590. So what will be happen? It is 30 of x is equal to 1590. So we get x equal to 1590 divided by 30. As you know, 0 cancel with 0, and 3 5 ja 15 and 3 3 ja 9. So we get x as a 53. So what will be happen in your question? You get the x. Find the number of each coins. So number of coins, 1 rupee coins. First of all, rupees 1 coin, that is x, it is your 53, and rupees 2 coins, it is 2x, so 2 into 53, the answer is 106, and rupees 5 coins. It is 5 of x, so 5 into 53. So 5 3 ja 15, 1, and 5 5 ja 25, and 1 is 23. So these are the answers. So you can write very well. Now, fifth question. You have see here fifth question. We have 100 liter of a mixtures of milk and water which is 10% water. How much more pure milk should be added so that the new mixture has only 5% water? So that question is for your homework. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है। अब आप लोग जो है इस फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन को एज अ होमवर्क करेंगे। ये फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन आपका फॉर योर होमवर्क, इसको होमवर्क करना है आपको। एक ही क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ मैं, और एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है। अपनी कॉपी कंप्लीट करेंगे, और जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सके इस चैनल को शेयर करेंगे, वीडियो को शेयर करेंगे, लाइक करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। एंड थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।